This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening a browser and going straight to Google Images. This gives you the reverse search interface immediately. Once there, click the camera icon to either paste an image URL or upload a file from your device. Choose Upload for local photos, Paste for web images. Make sure the image is clear and not cropped because Google matches shapes and features. While uploading, watch for progress and keep the original file handy in case you need to retry with a higher resolution version. After you submit the image, examine the immediate results and the visually similar images section. This tells you what Google detects and suggests alternate matches. If the initial results are broad, add text keywords reflecting subject, location, or brand, and use operators like cite or file type to target sources. Make sure to switch to all sizes when looking for the original resolution. If results seem irrelevant, try a cropped or rotated version. Changing composition helps the algorithm focus on distinctive features. When you find plausible matches, open the linked pages to verify the original source, date, and usage rights. This confirms whether it's the image you need. If Google doesn't return good matches, try other reverse image tools like TinEye or Bing, or reprocess the image by cropping out background clutter. Sometimes a focus subject yields better matches. If uploads fail, clear your browser cache, use a different browser, or save a high-resolution copy without watermarks. These fixes resolve most upload and matching problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.